social media elevating you in terms of, then you have money being offered to you at events, endorsements, ceremonies, weddings, everything, money keeps coming your way. So you start thinking, and then you go into an event and 3,000 people scream at you and you're like, I'm huge.
Yeah.
But it doesn't mean those 3,000 people are going to rush to the cinema hall to watch your film on day one if they don't like your promo.
Student of the Year 1 promo. It was first film that they were marketing as Dharma. They didn't have a studio. So that's when they wanted their marketing team to be in place. So that's how I started my journey with Student of the Year in Bollywood. When we put the promo out, we were launching like 3 people. Karan Sir was nervous because that was his first film as a director without Shah Rukh. And he's launching 3 newcomers. I remember this very clearly. We launched it at PVR Juhu, our lucky screen. After that, we all have come to the old Dharma office. And we were just checking the comments, and I'm not making this up, the dislikes were more than the likes. People were trolling the trailer left, right, center. And we are seeing and we are like, oh God, oh God, oh God, what do we do? For a day, we had disabled the likes and the dislikes, the tab, and there was a story in Mumbai Mirror saying you can't like or dislike a Dharma trailer anymore. So Karan Sir said, please let them talk what they have to. So the campaign started on a very bleak note. Immediately we thought, let's go to Pune, let's get the crowd in. I'm again not making this up. Alia was busy somewhere, so Sid, Varun, me, along with a PR person, we went to Pune, and I took an MC with me who is calling the crowd, ki aao, you'll have Varun Siddharth coming performing. So I thought nobody was ready to even wait, and I'm talking about Varun Dhawan and Siddharth Malhotra. We were at the airport, and I was thinking, ये मेरी पहली बॉलीवुड फिल्म है, मेरे को बहुत मैंने सपने देखे थे कि मैं बड़े बड़े स्टार्स के साथ घूमूंगा, कोई पहचान ही नहीं रहा इन लोगों को एयरपोर्ट के ऊपर. दिस इज आफ्टर द ट्रेलर हैज कम आउट. देन दूर से एक आदमी आता है, आई वाज लाइक फाइनली समबडी इज रिकॉग्नाइजिंग देम. ही वॉक्स अप टू सिद्धार्थ एंड सेज, आप डेविड धवन के बेटे हो ना? आई वाज लाइक, यार वो ये है. मतलब पीपल इवन कंफ्यूज कि वरुण कौन है, सिद्धार्थ कौन है. दिस हैपेंड. वी वर टू लॉन्च अ सॉन्ग कॉल्ड वेले आफ्टर दैट, which was again Varun Siddharth. It was Karan Sir's mind. He said the trailer's not worked. Let's put Disco Diwane immediately after this. Disco Diwane was being shot a day later after the trailer was launched. So we shot the song after the launch of the trailer. It was obviously supposed to be shot. It was a part of the plan. But we wanted to launch it as the third song. We made it as the first song. And that came out 6 days later. We stepped out and the reaction started changing suddenly. I remember the day the film released, I'm again getting goosebumps, the day the film released, we went to this mall in Thane. And I was like, yaar, Pune mein koi aaya nahi tha, kya hoga? I'm not making this up. There were 3 floors of girls and boys shouting out their names. And obviously I was with them, I was holding all the t-shirts and everything, and I just looked at that and I remember 2 months back. These 2 months have changed their lives forever. So the entire campaign took a turnaround after that trailer where Radha, Disco Diwane, Ishq Wala Love, before the release of the film, became what they were supposed to become. So I think that turnaround happened with Student of the Year. So that was one incident I remember for sure. You do city tours for people who are required to get registered there. So when you do newcomers, the media needs to know how they are, how they talk. They need to have that personal connect. तभी जब मैं मुंबई से कोई स्टोरी उनको भेजूंगा वो क्लॉक करेंगे. Today, Akshay Sir doesn't need to go to 10 cities. He has built his brand on the basis of quality. कि हाँ, इसकी फिल्म मैंने पिछली 4 फिल्में देखी थी. He had delivered. I'll go and I'll watch his film. Newcomers have to build that brand. So I feel over marketing, under marketing completely depends on the kind of film. If I take Akshay Sir to 10 cities, it is an overkill for sure. But if I'm taking a newcomer, because as you rightly said, everybody else will think from a corporate point of view. I'm getting a bit technical, but it really helps. Most of the film campaigns are for 4 weeks. A Dhadak was also newcomers, was 4 weeks. Notebook, newcomers, same production house, 4 weeks. Love Yatri's campaign was 8 weeks. So everyone raised their eyebrows कि यार क्या करेंगे? मैंने बोला, you have such amazing songs. Let the songs get penetrated before the release of your film. Why do you want only the songs to benefit? Let the film benefit from the song. Let's just go ahead and let's make sure the songs are a hit before the release and not after.
Yeah.
So that I think really helped. So all these calls were taken, and that's why the campaign was as it was, and the results are for us to see. So that's what I feel. So over marketing, under marketing completely depends on the product.
Like I made a hit film and lost money. Like Yash Chopra once told me, a film never fails, a budget does.
Interesting.
You know?